It must be a school morning. Ruby's coming outside and it's dark out. Hey Tux, good morning. Good morning, kitties. How is everybody? Feels good out here right now, but they set a high of 88 today.
Yeah, that's right. It's going to be a little toasty.
But not before our walk. Hi, good morning. Oh, I'm not a fan of Monday holidays because then Tuesday seems like Monday. I'm much a fan of starting the weekend early and having Friday holidays. We are on time this morning and it should be a fairly normal week, ending with Johnny's 3rd degree black belt test on Saturday. There's a little bit of fog or low-lying clouds this morning. It's been kind of pretty a couple of times as we've come around curves and where the land dips lower. Get to see it a little bit. Like a pretty sleepy city to me this morning. That's certainly how I'm feeling. Pretty sleepy. I did not sleep good last night. I had a headache close to bedtime and took some Excedrin, and I would say my major issue was probably the caffeine actually affected me that time, whereas other times it hasn't. So I don't know. I could use a nap at 7 o'clock in the morning. There's a little bit more brightness to the morning. I need bright. I need wake up. I need bright. Good morning. It's the second Tesla today I've been in traffic with. Actually, there's a Y over here too. We got out here on the trail pretty early this morning. Don's got a 9:30 conference call and it's 8:30. Consider myself lucky that he's, you know, able to fit in our walk.
Yeah, well, the walk's important, sweet pea. I wasn't trying to mess it up. It's just that they, you know, as I said, when your project, you know, what happens when your project gets in a red status, the only thing that happens is your number of hours you actually get dedicated to
fixing it
goes down. The number of hours you spend explaining why you can't fix it
goes up. Yep, it's 100% true.
Yeah. So now they've got, besides the daily meeting at 4:15, now they've added morning meetings on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
I'm so sorry. Yep, I have never seen a meeting actually help fix anything.
Yeah.
At least not if there's management on the meeting.
Right.
If it's the people doing the work,
yeah, that's different.
A work session, that might be different.
Yeah.
Well, in the sun, in the shady areas this morning, Donnie, it's been downright almost chilly.
I heard the low tomorrow's going to be the same thing, 65.
Okay.
Whenever they say the overnight low is going to be 65.
Something.
66. Whenever it gets into the 70s, it's going to be stinky. For sure, it's going to be miserable.
Right.
But anything in the mid-60s and down, it's not, quote, too bad. And of course, when it's in the 50s, it's glorious.
Right.
Because the nighttime low in the summer is pretty much pegged at the dew point. And so whenever the temperature, when the dew point 65, it's not super bad. But when the dew point 72 or 73, it's yucky.
Well, there's a definite noticeable difference in the air temp as soon as we hit that sunny spot up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you notice something about this morning? It's quiet up here. It's Tuesday and not Monday, and it's quiet. It's totally quiet.
Yeah.
We don't know if they're late, skip, handled it Sunday, handled it yesterday, for all we know. We don't know. Yeah, but not the one with the trailer for the lawn equipment. Our exercisers are out here. They're setting up for the morning. They're getting ready to go. Yay! We like company when we're exercising, right, Donnie?
Yeah. Misery likes company.
Yeah, that's right. We're headed on the second lap around the walking track here, and no idea if the splash pad's going to open today or not. I have not seen any official town statement on it. It's supposed to be 88 today. We're off to a cool start, but it's going to warm up. So I'm sure there were some people that would use it if it were open. All right, this is lap 3. I think we're making pretty good time still. I think we're making pretty good time. Don, I think, has sorted out in his head all the stuff he needs to sort out before his calls start for the day. I don't know if he was clear or not, but basically any call he was supposed to have yesterday and today, he's having today. Which is like mutually assured destruction on not getting anything done of consequence, except for explaining things that, aren't done. And to be clear, there's how many people? 6, 8, 10 people on this project? There's a lot. It's not just Don. It's not like Don's behind on his line item and it's all him. That's not the case, just to be clear. So I was looking at something on Facebook last night which inspired me to look up kudzu, and just so you know, it is edible. The flowers are edible. The leaves can be used like you would use spinach. Just don't eat the vines, and just don't pick it where there's been a herbicide sprayed on it, you know, too close to a roadway or whatever. But technically, you know, there's a fine line between, well, probably a big line in this case, between you'd enjoy eating it and you can eat it and not suffer ill effects. And it is edible, but I don't think I'll be harvesting any for us at the house. Don's walking home with me. It's 9:19. Not running today because, you know, to catch that conference call. We should be good. We haven't slowed down, not one lick. So I'm going to be interested to know our pace today. So 5,966 steps. Our time was 18:10. So not bad. Close to 17, but not quite.
Yeah. We were pretty quick.
Don's rushed into the house to do his thing. Gonna visit with kitties for just a minute. Tux is asleep in the catio, so kind of being quiet. I did make more progress. I am short some brown tiles. I tried to do the edge so that I could keep going, and I gotta stop for now, but maybe I'll be back at it later. I'm in Ruby. It's going on 12. I have a chiropractor appointment, the PEMF treatment, at 12:30 p.m. It's later this week than normal, so I'm not going to be able to squeeze in Guardian Angel Apex today. But I'm on way up there. I have 10 minutes to spare, and then I'll be basically leaving from there to go get Johnny from downtown. 86 and totally clear sky out there today. I'm here. Parking lot's not as crowded later in the day. No sign of the Model Y. Maybe people are just out at lunch. Well, that's 30 minutes too early to be downtown, so maybe I do have time to just run through Guardian Angel Apex. We'll see. I'll drive over there and then I'll see what time it says, and then I'll decide. Well, apparently I've got 25 minutes. 2:10 minus 1:45 is 25 minutes. So as long as I don't get lost in there, Well, as you can see, Hertz has outdone themselves again with all the vehicles, and they're bound there by where Ruby's parked too. It's 1:43, so I stuck to my 25 minutes. I actually didn't buy anything today. I would have if I'd have seen something I wanted. And I really did have time to make a pretty good, thorough, quick pass. No Legos. No athletic shirts. No necessary corral. No cat toys. Nope. Didn't see anything today. But see, now I don't have to worry that I missed something by not getting to go in today. So, I'm good. I'm good and I won't be late. So, mission accomplished. Here's Ruby. All nice and cool and waiting for me. So Janice treated my back mostly today. Told her I was dancing a little bit while I was cooking Saturday night, and I twisted a little too much. Just a little step in the wrong direction, but not horrible. I'm sure after the treatment today I'll be back where I was, as it really has been helping. It was a good sign that I even felt like moving and dancing. Well, this approach into downtown is nowhere near as scenic as the typical approach. By the time you get lined up to see anything, you're too low. There really is something pretty about my normal approach into town. This is Hammond versus Wilmington Street. Johnny's all set up for his volunteer opportunity tonight at Taekwondo and then his regular class. You know, he's got his big test coming up this weekend. But yeah, he'll be up there to volunteer for one class and then to take his class, get in some more practice on his stuff. I put on my Crocs, walked to Ruby, got in and got bit on the top of my big toe by either an ant or a bee or a hornet or something, and I don't see whatever it was that bit me. But it hurts, so I am driving through some pain at the moment. Ow. I am not in a good mood about getting bit by something. I mean, I didn't stop to pet a cat. I didn't sit down on the end of the boardwalk. I didn't do anything. I'm headed back to the house because it's a double class tonight. There's no staying out for the whole time, and I'll get some lavender or Benadryl or toothpaste or one of those remedies and put it on there because it's really bothering me. And it's on my right foot, so it's on the gas brake foot too. Not happy. I don't know if you can see him, but Tux is in the chair in there. And then Marty's carrying on over here. Hi, Mom. I got to go, buddy. I'm getting in the car. Here comes Stripe. Hey, buddy. Hi. Well, I put lavender on what I'm pretty sure was an ant bite, and it settled down pretty good. I'm in a lot less discomfort than I was. I was just in there working on my Lego project while waiting to go get Johnny. Don's having him a good nap. Probably what I should have been doing too, but it's hard to nap when your foot's hurting, and it's only just now that it's really settled down. So just shy of 120 miles today. 318 watt hours per mile. That was pretty darn good efficiency. And I've got 72 miles of rated range left, so I'm definitely going to plug in. Hey, Stripe. Hey, good boy. Got extra cat food in the way over here. I need to move some boxes around. Yeah, it's throbbing, but it's only 8:05. It won't really start until 8:30. It always does that a few times, and then it goes solid, and then it'll really kick in at 8:30. Hi, come on, guys. Come on. So I came back and I finished the 6 windows on top, and I'll pick back up tomorrow.